Welcome to BPTV's News with Block, a daily look into the big news currently shaping the crazy world of crypto. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any of the latest content from BlockParty, covering news, trade analysis, and the awesome dojo sessions with pro trader Reggie George. Remember, this is for educational and fun purposes only, and not, I repeat, not financial advice. If you're on board with that, then let's get into it. First on the docket today, we've got Mexican retail adoption. That's right, following on from Twitter's integration of the BTC tipping feature, we have Mexican retailer and banking conglomerate Grupo Electra enabling support for the Bitcoin Lightning Network. Grupo Electra is owned by Ricardo Salinas Pelengo, a multi-billionaire who has made headlines this year, earlier after disclosing that 10%, yes 10% of his portfolio sat in, you guessed it, Bitcoin. He took to Twitter to announce that his Electra Store network would integrate BTC and the Lightning Network soon. Bitcoin's continued integration in day-to-day and mainstream services is huge news. Watching these announcements and ideas become reality over the next few years is going to be extremely interesting. More regulation. This time it is targeted at the DeFi networks. US Senator Elizabeth Warren has referred to DeFi as a shadow bank as US regulators scramble to gain control of services such as staking and lending. Despite repeatedly and probably doing a horrible job of regulating traditional banking industry, resulting in the 2008 Emergency Economic Stability Act or the $700 billion taxpayer bailout, which prompted creation of cryptocurrency in the first place, dinosaurs like Warren insist on regulation to protect investors from the evils such as freedom of choice and inflation beating returns. God forbid. Now, not to get too political, but clearly the thought of removing a middle class of administrators and overseers producing nothing yet taking everything is extremely troubling to Warren. Her ability to have influence over something she has no knowledge of should be extremely concerning to you. Our favourite swap platform was under fire recently. Following on from last week's breaking news and real-life example of the SEC's regulatory bullshit is the investigation of Uniswap's marketing and investor interaction. Still no idea what actual charges the SEC are looking to bring, if any, but we do have a statement from Uniswap. Quote, "Committed to complying with the laws and regulations governing our industry and to provide information to regulators that will assist them with the inquiry." Cool. The inability of the SEC to discern between clear Ponzi schemes like BitConnect and legitimate DeFi services like Uniswap might be at the root of the issue. Ongoing mudslinging in the Ripple case may also be driving the confrontational approach. Clearly, an educational and inquisitorial stance is required if resolution is to be found for the US-based DeFi services. Ironically, but perhaps not unintentionally, that all of this is being played out as DeFi's market cap hits a $145 billion all-time high. Terrifying for them. Another day, another dollar, and Binance is in the headlines again. This time there is more confusion. Despite we believe being mainly based in Singapore, CZ's exchange has hit a regulatory roadblock in the country, and from Friday the 10th September, Binance.com will disappear from app stores in the country. The issues seem to be driven by Binance.com giving the impression it was regulated by Singapore's monetary authority, when it is in fact not. Binance Singapore, however, will continue to operate. In the UK, the FCA has quietly confirmed that Binance is now fully compliant. Haha, hilarious. Amazingly, this news has not been covered anywhere near as widely nor as loudly as June's non-compliance. Fuck you, Guardian. With further news of dispute between Binance and multiple South African regulators, I think the pattern of Binance broadcasted FUD and quiet resolution will continue throughout each region. Looks to the outsider like Binance being held to ransom in a pay-to-play market by regulators whose version of protecting your best interest is limiting your choices. Now, unless you've been stuck under a rock, you'll notice that Bitcoin has been making moves, and this time it has broken that eponymous, audacious, impossible wall that is 51k. But we saw, and this may have something to do with El Salvador's having its legal tender coming into play, it broke through with a massive candle. And it's currently just created a bull flag, and we've seen a bit of a retest of that 51k. However, I am seeing that 55k is looking more and more likely. If you want more information on Bitcoin analysis, check out the YouTube channel, like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and you will be able to catch every single Market Watch video released Monday to Friday, covering Bitcoin primarily and a couple of your other big altcoins out there. Thanks for watching as always, guys. Before I check out, BlockParty Trading is super proud to announce our latest product, the DEX Files. This is launching today. And it is a foray into the wild west of crypto. We are researching hard into all these new tokens, ultra low caps and ICOs so you don't have to. There is a limited space in the channel, so don't miss out, and find all details on www.blockpartytrading.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification button for your daily dose of news, tutorials and analysis from Team BlockParty. And always remember, patience pays.